How to explain a project in an interview. So let's have an example. We built an e-commerce platform to handle high traffic and improve user experience. I was the backend lead responsible for designing the architecture and implementing microservices. Using Node.js and MongoDB, I focused on optimizing performance. One big challenge was managing database load, which I solved by implementing caching and improving response time by 30%. So the result of this, after launch, the platform saw a 40% increase in active users with great feedback on speed. This taught me the importance of scalable design, which I now apply in all my projects. Now let's focus on next question. Can you describe a recent project and your role in it? I recently worked on a high traffic e-commerce platform where my role was a backend developer. I was responsible for designing the microservices architecture and implementing features for order management, payment processing, and ensure the system was scalable and could handle spikes in traffic, especially during sales periods. Let's move to next question. What was the biggest challenge you faced on a recent project and how did you handle it? In a previous project, we faced issues with latency during peak times due to heavy database load. To solve this, I implemented caching using Redis, which significantly reduced the number of database calls for frequently accessed data. I also optimized database queries and used indexing, which reduced response times by about 40%, greatly improving user experience. Next question. Describe a time when you had to make a key technical decision. What factors did you consider? In one project, we needed a database solution for high-speed read and write operations. I had to choose between SQL and NoSQL database. After evaluating the data structure and requirement, I chose a NoSQL database MongoDB because it was schema flexible, which allowed us to flexibly iterate on new feature and handle high volume transactions without strict relationships. This choice improved scalability and reduced development time.